Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen T-roc RL PL 2.0 TDI M6F 116HP in a stunning blue exterior. This estate or Jeep is loaded with features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, lane departure warning, and more. With a 2-litre engine, this manual transmission vehicle is efficient and powerful. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, enjoy luxury details like the luxury trim and ambient lighting. Rest assured, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information. Drive in style and safety with the 2023 Volkswagen T-roc RL PL 2.0 TDI M6F 116.